Despite the fact that expensive sports cars with minimal ground clearance are difficult to handle on uneven roads and have high fuel consumption and operating costs, the owner still gets pure drive and emotion, aesthetics, and prestige from driving. Sports supercars possess ideal dynamics, flawless handling, an atmosphere of luxury, and a wealth of advanced technologies. The Nissan Z Nismo was created for auto enthusiasts who want a powerful, emotional sports car with a racing character for both daily commutes and regular track days. The 3.0-liter tuned twin-turbocharged engine puts out 420 horses. The transmission electronics are specifically calibrated for track-necessary downshifts, and the suspension is quite stiff. Acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour takes 4.2 seconds. The Ford Mustang is adored for its aggressive, iconic design, rebellious spirit of freedom, and incredible price-to-power ratio. The price starts at $38,000, and depending on the modification, the power can reach up to 826 horses. On the road, the car behaves like a comfortable and confident Grand Tourer, holds a straight line perfectly, has a large reserve of power for overtaking, and is much softer compared to European supercars. Driving on bad roads in a Porsche 718 Cayman GT4 RS with a ground clearance of 110 mm is extremely difficult and uncomfortable. This is an uncompromising track-focused sports car created for maximum dynamics on asphalt. On dry tarmac, the Porsche withstands lateral loads exceeding 1.4 G. It has a power output of 500 horsepower and a top speed of 315 km per hour. The Aston Martin Vantage is one of the safest sports cars out there. It received high marks for its rigid body structure and a comprehensive suite of active safety systems. This powerful sports car accelerates to 200 km per hour in 8.5 seconds, with a top speed of 325 km per hour. The car packs 665 horsepower, which allows for instant and safe acceleration. The Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 supercar does not participate in professional official racing championships, but only in amateur and open track events. However, it is one of the fastest production cars in the world. Thanks to its unique 5.5-liter V8 engine pushing 1,064 horsepower, the car accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 1.7 seconds. The Porsche 911 GT3 RS remains true to the classics, as its naturally aspirated engine without turbocharging revs up to 9,000 revolutions per minute. The car features Formula One level aerodynamics and a smart suspension that can be adjusted right from the steering wheel. The hood, fenders, roof, and doors are made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, keeping the car's weight to a minimum to maintain perfect handling. The top speed is 296 km per hour. The Toyota GR Supra combines a famous Japanese name and chassis tuning from Toyota Gazoo Racing with a legendary German BMW engine and premium engineering, making the car a rare blend of reliability and sporting spirit. Externally, the car stands out with its long hood, rearward shifted cabin, and short rear section. Acceleration to 200 km per hour takes 14 seconds, and the top speed is 275 km per hour. The BMW M2 CS model is produced in a limited edition, which is why prices on the secondary market do not drop, but only grow. The key differences of this model from other BMWs include its lightweight design and use of carbon fiber, serious performance with a 500-horse engine, as well as highly reliable sports brakes. To pin the needle of the speedometer up to 302 kilometers per hour, it will take 49 seconds. According to expert evaluations, the Porsche 911 is recognized as one of the most reliable sports cars. Thanks to its rear-engine layout and low center of gravity, the car holds the road as if on rails. It regularly sets speed records on racetracks like the Nürburgring. In 2021, the Porsche completed the 20.8-kilometer distance in 6 minutes and 43 seconds. The Bentley Continental GT masterfully combines the qualities of 3 different cars: the comfort of a luxury limousine with an expensive interior, the dynamics of a sports car, and an elegant style. Thanks to all-wheel drive and advanced air suspension, this heavy car handles incredibly confidently on both straight highways and winding roads. Weighing 2,350 kilograms, the car accelerates to 100 in 3.2 seconds. The main feature of the Lamborghini Revuelto is the combination of its legendary naturally aspirated V12 engine with 3 electric motors, which deliver a combined output of 1,015 horsepower. The 2 front electric motors are responsible for all-wheel drive and provide flawless traction control, while the rear electric motor is integrated into a new 8-speed gearbox. The car reaches 350 kilometers per hour in 25 seconds. The Rimac Nevera is a fully electric hypercar where 4 independent electric motors are located at each wheel. The car's system calculates the road surface and changes power distribution 100 times per second, making the machine equally obedient both in a straight line and during extreme cornering. The built-in AI driver assistant uses 13 cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and 6 radars to analyze the racing line. The exclusive Italian hypercar Pagani Utopia is named after the god of wind. It is equipped with a V12 twin-turbo engine pumping 850 horses with a fuel consumption of 23 liters per 100 kilometers in a combined cycle. Thanks to active aerodynamics and a carbon monocoque, the car can develop speeds exceeding 360 kilometers per hour. The production run is strictly limited, and the base price is $3 million. All main gauges and instruments in the premium Pagani Huayra are designed in the style of classic mechanical watches, with sharp hands, gears, and analog scales. The finish is dominated by polished aluminum, high-quality leather, and carbon fiber. The exterior design combines 1960s retro aesthetics, Le Mans racing motifs, and the brand's signature aerospace style. The car's speed is electronically limited to 350 kilometers per hour. The creators and engineers transferred the technology and dynamics of a Formula One car to the Aston Martin Valkyrie, providing the driver with an unparalleled handling experience. The body is designed to direct airflows under the underbody, creating colossal downforce. Acceleration to 100 takes 2.6 seconds, and the naturally aspirated V12 engine is capable of revving up to 11,000 revolutions per minute, churning out 1,100 horses. In the design of the Swedish Koenigsegg Jesko, one can single out an incredible blend of aerodynamics, engineering innovations, and signature Scandinavian style. The car features a unique transmission algorithm that analyzes current speed and RPM to instantly engage the correct gear. The V8 engine develops 1,600 horsepower and revs up to 8,500 RPM in just 0.2 seconds. The McLaren Solus GT is an exclusively single-seat track hypercar. The only seat is located in the center of a closed cockpit, just like in a Formula One car. The car was developed for racetracks and is not intended for public roads. The machine's appearance is fully dictated by speed and inspired by fighter jets. In 2023 at Goodwood, the car showed the best time in the final shootout, becoming the fastest car of the festival. The Bugatti Tourbillon received an aerodynamic exterior appearance with a signature horseshoe grille, an active wing, and butterfly doors. The interior is made in a neoclassic style. The centerpiece is an analog instrument cluster made of sapphire and titanium, inspired by Swiss watches. The Bugatti Tourbillon puts out an impressive 1,600 horses, accelerates to 300 kilometers per hour in about 10 seconds, and has a top speed of 445 kilometers per hour. The Hennessey Venom F5 Revolution is mainly track-oriented and built in Texas. The car features an amazingly low dry weight of around 1,360 kilograms. This vehicle, designed for maximum downforce and maneuverability, packs a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8 engine. The Evolution Evo package bumps the car's output to an astonishing 2,031 horsepower. The top speed is 483 kilometers per hour. The American hybrid hypercar, Zinger 21C, was designed with the help of artificial intelligence. The system itself calculated the ideal shape of the parts and created using 3D printing. The structural chassis frame is printed from a high-strength alloy of aluminum and titanium, while the body is made of carbon fiber with a varying weave structure. The powertrain consists of a V8 engine and 3 electric motors, accelerating to 100 in 1.9 seconds, with a top speed of 407 kilometers per hour. The Lamborghini Sian is the first hybrid supercar from the Lamborghini brand, uniting a legendary naturally aspirated V12 engine and an innovative supercapacitor system. Instead of heavy lithium-ion batteries, it uses a supercapacitor that is 3 times lighter and more powerful than a regular battery of the same weight. The supercar's silhouette stands out with its wedge shape and iconic bodyline. The car's top speed is 350 kilometers per hour, and its power output is 819 horses. When designing the Aston Martin Victor, specialists focused on 3 highlights: vintage design, racing technologies, and maximum analog driving feedback. The car's interior is done in a retro minimalist style with sporting functionality. In creating the suspension and chassis, the developments of extreme supercars were taken into account. The naturally aspirated V12 engine has an impressive power output of 840 horses, and the top speed is 330 kilometers per hour. The Zenvo ST1 car was assembled exclusively by hand, and the project itself was developed by the Danish company Zenvo Automotive. Until 2016, only 15 examples were produced. Its shapes stand out with an abundance of sharp edges, deep aerodynamic cuts, and massive air intakes to cool the 1,104 horsepower V8 motor, and you can squeeze 375 kilometers per hour out of the car. The Ferrari Pininfarina Sergio stands out among other supercars with its incredible exclusivity and a radical design in the style of classic barchettas. The car became a tribute to the legendary designer Sergio Pininfarina. Only 6 examples were produced, costing around $3 million each. The Ferrari Pininfarina is equipped with a high-performance naturally aspirated V8 engine, an aluminum chassis, and a carbon fiber body. The car accelerates to 100 in 3 seconds. The fully electric Chinese U9 features a smart system that interacts between the driver and the car. You can feel its maneuverability, speed, and power in your hands while sitting behind the wheel and accelerating to 100 kilometers per hour in 2 seconds. The battery provides a range of about 450 kilometers. The cost of this new arrival can reach up to $3 million. In 2020, the SSC Tuatara hypercar set a world top speed record for production road cars, showing an average speed of 532 kilometers per hour. The body, developed by a former Ferrari and Maserati designer, features a phenomenally low drag coefficient. The 5.9-liter twin-turbo V8 engine delivers 1,750 horses. The Mercedes-AMG One sports car packs a 1.6-liter turbocharged V6 internal combustion engine, straight out of a Formula One car, and 4 electric motors. The car received a teardrop-shaped roof with an air intake, a characteristic butterfly wing door design, and active aerodynamic elements that provide maximum downforce. The Mercedes-AMG accelerates to 300 kilometers per hour in 15.6 seconds. You can also fall in love with a sports car for its razor-sharp sport suspension, perfect aerodynamics, and a direct connection between the driver's actions and the car's behavior. The McLaren Speedtail is capable of accelerating up to 403 kilometers per hour, and it crosses the 300 kilometers per hour mark in just 12.8 seconds. The car is famous for its unique 3-seat layout, with a centrally positioned driver's seat. The unique teardrop design with special aileron flaps, instead of rear-view mirrors, makes it one of the most aerodynamically slick cars in history, with a price tag of $3.5 million. The steering wheel of the Ferrari Stradale is equipped with a powerful touch-sensitive interface, as well as other switches that allow you to control the 1,000-horsepower hybrid without taking your hands off the wheel. Otherwise, the car's interior is fully digitalized. The hypercar accelerates to 200 kilometers per hour in 6.7 seconds, and its top speed is 340 kilometers per hour. The Ferrari Stradale is phenomenally stable at high speeds. The Bugatti Mistral Roadster combines aggressive aerodynamics and an open body, allowing you to enjoy the sound of the engine right behind your back. The interior represents top-tier luxury using materials such as titanium, aluminum, leather, and even porcelain. The legendary 8.0-liter W16 engine develops an incredible 1,600 horsepower, and the top speed of the sports car reaches 420 kilometers per hour.